She's a look a man. And Chivia don't want you. Chivia have him woman. Yeah. But Chivia then, I want one. Away then. Try come talk to me. Try come talk
Shit.
to me. Try come talk.
Macka.
You Mr. Cut and Paste. You come talk because you I make Cheese I feel like she has smarty. Cheese on my DM for my WhatsApp and because let me tell the people let me choose what the mix up what I want with Cheese. True Cheese link me and tell me something tell her say she like you and you know give her the time of the day. She call her, you know, answer her phone, I hit button and make she run over there and I come this people and I talk up all things. And the truth people, I'm telling the truth, she look Chibia and Chibia don't want her. So every day she'll call me and I beg me now to talk to him and say, please, Chibia like me and tell me and tell her she say she like you.
Listen, me, Macka. Big up yourself. Hear me, I say, man. Me don't know how. Me don't know. You know, say, friend, you call the OBEAH man the name, brother. Your life gone. He does a chip out and a freeze. Your internet go bad.
I never call the name, no. I just call peace out.
Yeah.
But you never come to talk about that. You come for you talk the truth. She's a look here. Every day. Me say me them on the phone and talk today. She'll call me not answer. She'll call you same time you not answer. Because me I tell her what she'll say, the message what she give me for you, and she'll tell me say I ignore her call them. Cheese, you can't style me. A man you look. Man you look and the man don't want you.
Listen me, Macka. Me no know. I still can't understand why Cheese upset and angry. I just jump on it.
And you must
You hear me,
know.
people? Eh?
And you must know. People that are Mr. Cut and Paste, Mr. Trivia. So what Cheese I say is me send money come get up on a cash app. When you give me the money to put in my account to send to her on cash app, what happened to the money? The money failed, don't it? And me swear it's a
Yeah,
scam to try scam. Because the way I start to feel like it's a scamming thing, I say to you say the money not go through, the money failed. Right? And who end up sending money to her? And you from where you're at?
true that.
Right.
Yeah. So
So only jumping at this money business and money problem. We keep telling her say anytime she deal with the thing, deal with you. She upset because we are trying to take to explain to the people them what really happened with the challenge. You give her
all
the
right.
challenge, you're not please tell to the people them.
Listen me now, people. Want to hear me? Right? All right. Macka, me and Macka decide say, all right, we need to. It come around to Christmas and we need to give her some money. Macka said, Chivia, you need to give her some money, you know. But you know what now? Give it for the song. You understand? We decide say, all right, yeah, that's a good thing. I give her some money. Macka say, listen me now, we can do a little dancing competition. And, you know, top price $500, second price $200, third price $100. Right? She said, all right, listen, we want somebody have to host it. And Macka said, listen me now, like link cheese. And Macka link cheese. And Macka link cheese. We say, all right, cheese. All right, do a competition. No, you know what happened? At first, she said we're going to do a competition, you know. But me did link somebody else before cheese. But Macka link cheese. Understand, Macka?
Yeah,
So me did link
the first person
me did link dancer Pinky Pinks.
Right, the first I tell if you use Pinky Pinks and you say no, really actually it's not what you said is that when we decided to do a further promotion on the song, we said use cheese because cheese can get a little highlight and talk about it in our little shop and get a girl and dance to it and enter the competition and all these things.
Yeah.
But by the time we started to talk to cheese, she said she want to host it. Which means about the approve of it that way, they just want her to do more promoting to the song and make Pinky Pinks be the right now so I go. And then you say, no, Macka, make sure do it. And what happened afterward?
Yeah, it's like me tell Pinky Pinks they deal with the competition. Then what we do? I think you link her and she said she wants to see, so we still have to just go ahead and do it. But guess what I'm known people? It's like she started competition in her first week. You understand? And she want to finish the competition the other week. And it's only about 4 video we get with 4 girls, and they look like 3 girls them I same person. So we said to Cheese there, listen me now, Cheese. You see, since we tell her to do it, we not already tell somebody else to do it already. You understand? But it come like things did I do something else. She look like she busy or do something else and whatsoever. So me say, alright, me go make things just continue with it. You understand? We can do other promotion.
I just said to her, I said, Cheese, we will still pay you. I will just not bother want you to do the competition no more. And she said, no, yeah. She not depend that.
Me still pay her.
And she said she not depend that. She said she not depend that. Them say, I just said, me still have to pay you. I just not going to use Pinky Pinks. And she said,
yeah,
no, that can't.
Because me do business, you know. I saw me do business because guess what, you know? Me already put you a gear okay to go up on a job. But me say, alright, me not use you. You understand? Me not use you again. But me still pay you. You understand? So it's like me say listen me now because what competition I go on with about 4 video or 5 video. And there may be 1 video look presentable. The other videos them come like said somebody just use an old video and put a song behind it and just sell it. Look like a 3 same person in it. So we said no, we don't get no competition. Nobody no enter. We can't finish the competition. You understand? Members say only for money we are give. We are give a 500 fee first prize, second prize at 200, and the other price 100. You understand? Is a fee.
Waste of money.
So only for money we are give. So you can't consent for video come give her 5 video.
Right. So I said PR and make we use. So your PR. So she said she don't want. She still want to do it. We don't make Pinky Pinks do it. That is what she said. And we said that cannot work. So we not start posting video on our page. Nothing, but she ready to give it to a winner. She want to give the money to a winner. And we said that cannot work. I would don't tell her say we not need her to do it again. We pay you. That's okay. Forget it. Simple.
Yeah. So me don't know where she upset for angry for.
So put it this way. She's one way to run our contest the way or she want.
But she not run a contest.
Me know, but she want we to do it all she want and then so it go.
Listen, Macka. Listen. Me and you could have stood on and me just the one place and we stood on and tell a couple people say competition and me stood on and the competition go on or if you go on. You understand? Competition couldn't go on or if you go on or whatsoever. But we say other people have to eat.
All the busy. The people must say them confused. We were supposed to do a competition with Pinky Pinks. We wanted to further the promotion by letting Cheese do a promotion on the song also and to boost more people to come and enter. When we spoke to her about promoting it, she said she not in that. She want also come join. We said no, we already have somebody in that. She said, all right, then make sure do it. And we cancel Pinky Pinks. When she went on the job, we didn't find her creditable. So Chivia said to her, said, here want me to pay you, and we're going to use back Pinky Pinks because she's a dancer and she understands don't forget the dancer don't make the thing look properly. So we're going to just use Pinky Pinks and still pay her. That was it. So she still get her pay and she forced herself and said, no, she still want to do it. She still want to do it. That is it.
Yeah.
And we decided to ignore her. We decided to ignore her and lower her. That is it.
When me talk to you, you know, me say, listen, no, Macka, me can't talk to her, you know, she open her feelings. And me I say, listen, no, Macka, you have to deal with her. You understand? And that means say you have to deal with her. You understand? Because me don't know she open her feelings, same way I say we can't take competition with somebody. And me I tell her, say, listen, no, the person didn't have the competition before. The person have the competition before you is because you understand you're a Macka deal and we say, all right, listen, you say you want to do it, so we just say, all right, just make sure you want to do it. You understand? But
And she
originally,
make it cancel. She make it cancel the original person. Why would I do it for a good 3 weeks because the money is supposed to give her for Christmas. And she said she only want to do it for 1 week. I would say that can't work. And she said, oh, I'm going to do it. I would still ignore her because we don't look up her mindset. We don't want everybody to do it and you still send the money to get her. So I don't know what the problem. So I feel say, I don't like what she like you. And I tell me from what they ever tell her that she like you. And you not look for her. People, she tell me what they say she like Chivia. And because I tell Chivia and Chivia not pay no mind, that is why.
Macka, my can be him father beat him, brother. My make cheese be him father beat her. Yeah? Because maybe say our cross brother there without a speed there. So we don't have to.
Yeah.
Listen, my virgin know her be him father. I be say our cross brother. So you may say, man, we don't want to be him father go beat her.
So she must come talk up things and me not talk up things, alright? Just like come ever talk up things about the OBEAH and say me get OBEAH and all these things. But I'm still alive, I'm still striving, I'm not care.
But listen, Macka, the OBEAH can't do nothing. You hear me? You're not guidance. You hear me?
All the time.
Yeah. If more the garbage I'm talking about this OBEAH. But don't say them try to fight you out. But you, Macka, you're one of them artists from your boss, you're relevant till today.
Oh.
You hear me?
I don't know what I did. They're going to send them fake pages and look at idiot people. And them same ones, some of them always say I talk behind them fake pages, and them have them on them phone. Same people them. Let me tell you.
Listen, Macka, you know see your live, you talk about your live. You're there on the live and you see what I internet and mess up and them are do it, brother. You understand? A beer report, them a report, you're sitting and you Insta try intervene and it check up your stuff. You understand? Yeah. And them are sending all the people over there trying to mess up the life. You understand?
I choke.
Yeah.
I choke.
Then you can't stop them.
The people them say when they cut and paste with crackers and cheese. cut and paste with crackers and cheese.
Yeah. Me not eat no cheese, you know. I not eat no cheese. Yeah.
Lord God Almighty.
Yeah. Me don't know, brother. Me don't know where cheese depend on something. Me don't know why she just jump out and away. You understand?
Why am I telling you?
Listen, about 5 people, she send come here. About 5 people, she send come here dance, you know. 5 people. I will say, no cheese. Listen, I want for money, I give it. You understand? I want for money, I give it.
And people don't know the song I just played a while ago. We don't pay back it up. Yeah, we don't pay back it up. So, what we're going to do about it now, Chivia? Tell me the truth, what we're going to do now. Because, what we're going to do? Because we need a solution. Because, about 100 live, I see the girl I do. I act like she go crazy. She act worse than the, you know, the advisor, man. What you call it? She act worse. She go harder than the advisor, man.
Oh, the OBEAH, man. I call him name, I don't like mess up again.
I'm going to respect me. I call him.
I don't want your life mess up again, so I call him.
No, he came over here and he apologized for all the wrongs that he was told to do to me. So, you know, yeah. Me kind of respect that. So, one pineapple, big up yourself. He's an advisor, the advisor. You know, and everybody, people, me can't talk off of my life story. Me can't talk off of my life musical story because.
So, Macka. So me a listening to your brother and he really touching. Me know say so much something you go through with them people, brother.
I just a little tip of the ice in a gone deep.
Brother, me say me I listen your story and me I say yo, this is me feel it for Macka. You understand? Because you're my friend and I know so much about you. I swear. You understand? I know so sudden treat you bad. You understand? I know so sudden treat you bad.
Treat me bad enough. They treat me bad because me not go on and do what me not do. To try and make it. I'm a talent. I'm a raw talent. I came with raw talent. I came with raw talent. You understand? I don't come with nothing else. I don't come with fake this. I don't come with sex. I don't come with, I came naturally. You know? I came naturally. And a good fair man like no fair them people that are good for him, man. Because nothing know that nothing know. So I make post put him by my big dance and we keep a put more. I me boss nothing. And nothing switch. Nothing switch.
No, you see, no fear, my friend, man. But me don't know. Me think them kind of and a switching really and a switch, not be switch, you know. Me think you see him like how you say you rate ladies and them care misinformation and gear and the misinformation she end up she not come to you straight up and that she shouldn't end up. And that's why I tell us a friend, you know, brother. Because you see any people you see any people can go in at some people head and tell them certain things. Instead of them come to you and reason out here and say, yo, listen, such and such, you know, me and your friend and
whatsoever. Me, I tell myself that nothing, and Mr. Langdon set me up because them never give me no good money. And when me hear the man, I say I have 500,000 money I run over the stuff. And me how much money I run, me not get none. Me them still I get help. Man donkey I pay for. Me still I hear some man not get pay for donkey. Me have friend who live at Dumbo but tell me say the man run that ball every day. Say donkey still over. So me not understand what I go on. I peer sitting me go at me here. Beer sitting in my ear. And you go try and you tell the man lies. Suppose the man was a gunman. You run go tell the man say, nothing on the whole of my plan with Macka in the dark country the night before I this year. And you know says a clash and a war come up with somebody that warm up from the night before on a GT Taylor show. I warm up. You understand? And it was a show. It is supposed to be a performance. You understand? So at the end of the day is what really go on? That's when we reach a sting gate, a problem for going. Nobody don't want to let me in with my bus or my crew. And all these things, peer problem go on.
Yeah. But I don't know. You're a strong woman still in Macka. That's why me rate it different. You understand? You're a strong woman.
I mean, I want ears in shop one day. I do my ear after they mix me and call my name to Lady Sir and tell Lady Sir want me chatter me this and me that. Nobody has ever heard me say nothing bad about Lady Sir. Because I love Lady Sir from my heart. I mean, in my ear shop, I do my ear and Lady Sir call me about me a chatter. And if I lose her number, when me look at she and the girl a par and a fight against me, I say, what this man? You know, say your enemy that you're par the one enemy bring her in your house. Me want her. Me want Lady Sir, you know? And she cussed me off and done me. And I remember, I said the lady said to me, as a matter of fact, I don't want a friend from her because everybody asked me if me and her they are me a lesbian like she. And the lady said, what? That them I say? And from that me not hear back from her. Yeah? So it's a whole heap of things. Whole heap of things and a whole heap of mix up and ungratefulness and people just deceiving and wicked. You understand? I'm grateful to Lady Sarah because she was there for me and Queen Paula when nothing I want for it. I would par with her in her little red van. I was there when Lady Sarah even had up her first little baby girl, that girl that's on a big girl now. You know, the lady was there with us at Portmore Mall and the woman I cried to her and said she's sick and the doctor said she got dead and she wants somebody to take the little girl. And Lady Sarah took the little girl right there and then. You understand? Enough things we know everything. We know everything. Yeah. We come from history. So why not push out somebody with talent? Yeah, because you don't know for trace people. You don't know for cussing and telling them about like a bad-minded artful, no? That's why I feel like me not relevant in music. That's why I got you there. Because I don't know for cuss people and tell them dirty things. Me not relevant in dancehall.
Macka, you are one of the baddest female ever come out of Jamaica with boss as a female. You understand? So listen, me not mix up another female artist and whatsoever, but me I say you relevant, me say you come like cartel, relevant straight you. You're one of them female, you're one of the best in our business. You understand? So anyhow you reach from top right now, me know you say you don't wanna dancehall,
A whole lot of
queen, you
people
know,
come
I
to them
know
and keep dance
certain
and show,
things.
and them
Yeah,
are
but
going
you
to
listen,
show
if
me.
you get
A
it,
whole
Macka,
lot of
you
people.
deserve
Look here, a whole lot of
it.
promoter come and tell them want to keep show and dance and crown me, brother. Trust me. Then come and say them want to crown me. I'm going to tell them say I don't want it. That's too hot. Too much people fight over that crown. I don't want it. Because a new dancehall queen is already here. Because
Listen,
it's young and fresh.
Macka, you know why you have to take it? You know why you have to take the crown? And why you hear me? The reason why you must take the crown, Macka, because it was given to you. If them want to give it to you, you take it.
But I put the crown
As
because
long as you are fighting the crown or
I'm
claim the
brown.
crown yourself.
Because I'm
As
not
long as
bleach out
you
and
get it,
brown.
take it. Yeah?
Because I'm not bleach out and brown. So somebody have been
Listen.
knowing about Lady Mackerel. From Lady Mackerel days welcome. You know much artists me watch go and come trivia? Me there from Lady Patra, Sister Charmaine, Lady Ann, Nancy, everybody. I'm still there.
And you're still there.
Lady
The
G.
relevance straight through. So I may say no Macka, as we me say no Macka. You see, if you are get the crown, take it. Don't say you don't want it because you are get your people are gear crown. But you see, if you are trying to get the crown and crown yourself, it's irrelevant. Self-praise is no recommendation. But if you are get the crown, take it. Don't say you don't want it. Because people them see potential in you and know your credibility. I know say you're one of the best in our business. So if you get it, take it. If you get the queen of dancehall, take it. You understand? Because you deserve it. I will leave a fight you get from them time until now.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Me love. I'm show a lot of love to people who show me love. So me not come here to beat down nobody area because me tell you something because me start to feel some kind of way. Come here and say this not sound good. This not sound right, you know. But at the end of the day, sometimes some people have deserve what them get because at the end of the day you can't get up and use your mouth and hold on people.
Yeah.
You understand? Because them a say mouth. I'm Pinky Pink, so I go and big up yourself. And it's like guys say, you know, we go up on show, and you know, one. I remember saying, we do one show. I remember, we went to, what that place name? One of them small island, the Nevis. I think at Nevis we go. Me, it was an all female show, and the whole way up on the show, and me at the hotel asleep, but the guy when me got away, me don't know him getting some teeth in one with laptop and some mix up and you know, so the one of them get up and go, I got the show left me. Got the show left me, and I say, oh, nobody no come with me for got the show. It's by the time I wake up and put on my clothes because my road manager getting some mix up and thing with some foolishness. And he said by the time I dress up and end up reaching on the show, everybody who said them around the place. People say them around the place and I'm the baddest thing. I'll run on the stage I work before me, you know? That will show you say me not understand it sometimes. When the son around the place and when still I work before me and I run on, you know? And me just make everybody work and me run on and tear that piece of show, you know? Me go through the same thing all over, you know?
Yeah.
Meantime, me and them dep on the show, you know? They don't want to stay in a hotel with me. But this and that, like, me don't know what to do nobody. I know them can't tell me where Macka do them. Talk where Macka do them. One time I hear some people but here right now, big old artist in the business, talk it. Say, the woman call and I say, Macka Diamond and OBEAH. Me say, how the blood clean this? How me dropping at that? Eh? So if me did that over people, woman can me the one no hold long for much years and not now go on for. I'm still a fight, I'm still a eat, I'm still a pay my bills. And look at things is a woman they have sense when Green Sleeve record this time I buy my house, I buy my vehicle, I have every little thing so nobody can put me out of my house. I live somewhere. I not pay a mortgage. My friend pays and people still pay a mortgage. The way I want to go on like no rich on this and that. No should still pay. Me not pay a mortgage. I buy my house cash. I mean, I have to come show up on people and say, and people say, oh, me wear cheap brand. I'm not busy what me want to wear. Nobody can trick me. No, not trick me. I have my house. I have my vehicle. So it's when time my light cut off and my water cut off and I don't have nothing more, nobody can put me out.
So, in vehicle, OBEAH brother there, Macka.
No,
Me hear say,
advisor, please, correct it, please.
or advise a brother there. TR, me no know him. I just, see him on couple live or something. Me no know him. Me no know what him can do. Advisor, or whatsoever them want call it.
You want to
You
read it for
understand?
me? You want to read it?
But, no. No, me
Okay.
no want nothing for them, brother. Hear me, I say them. So, ladies, OBEAH jacket and gay, my girl. So, I wonder what them do to you, though. Ask him tell what they do to you. What they give you.
Him say, if she
You don't
talk,
get no the problem.
him sound like, when basically I say, if she talk one more time, he might let out them one day. And maybe not go nice because maybe you got hear say, me really, my life set away, you know? But me I go and listen out. Me still a listen. Me still a listen because me no fear. And him know too. If he's a good reader man as what him say, him know in him head say, Macka have some of
Then,
them vision there where
alright,
he
let's see me, Macka. If them do your thing, him not tell you man and him cut and clear you where you want to do if
you
so
know
you
that
go.
me want him do for
Eh?
true. You know that me feel like me want him to do. Me want him cut and clear me stage.
Tell him pull your spell when they put up by you.
I want them to pull it myself already, because from what day me I go and bad and I go and good enough. I want them to pull it myself.
Listen, you God bless, man. You God bless. They can't hold it done. You understand?
It look like me pull it in
Yeah,
already.
listen, man. Them say good people get the most fight in life, you know, brother. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
You get qualified them.
You know, easy trivia. If me for talks about the things if me for talk about the things that documentary me say I want to put it on because the other day me I say it, you know, so me go through some things with these people in the music where me I feel wonder if it really real. If it really real. You know, like what is this? Why people have to get up and don't love each other? Why the female have to live like this? You know? You know, me never planned to know nothing on Mr. Lang. Me never know nothing. I was going to sing same way fretting. Because me I said the same thing but them I said, but me feel said it was a mischievous thing. You go tell the man, say, Macka, I plan for you because you want the man to hurt Macka. How does that happen? Them the things that go on. You go on me wig in front of man, you come on me yard and if me not dress before you, you know put on no clothes because you want to see what me have on. And you know, you make mischief, me you got stage show, me and the girl got stage show at Black River and the girl set up her friend and for boo me at the front of the stage. Boo me. Turn up and boo me. And make one piece of wall over hotel room.
Remember enough people. And that's why I sing a song about friend. You understand? Hear me, I say, man. This I lady we nothing now go on for. And Macka go pick her up. Right? Macka go pick her up. And Macka go pick her up. And she I do all of them things that to Macka. You understand? And she I do all of them things that to
Let me tell
Macka.
you some people, the way my heart clean and nice, I'm telling you, the first fight and war when me and a girl got you, I end the friendship. You know, say we had a stage show in a Black River, the same stage show at Black River. So me get yes, me get the hotel room them. And me and the dancer them, me and Dela them and Latisha them would dance them. So me and her apart. I say I go for her house and I say come here apart with me. So me end up make GT put up on the show, me and her apart. You know say them the time there, she have a little man in her yard and she have a little young boy out the road. And me know she come a road with the boy. You know people know books because me talk, but me not really care. And me know she come at the show with the guy. So when we went down there, it was like 3 room. One for the dancer, them one for she, one for me. But when I noticed one of the room them was very big and nice and more exclusive. So I said, you know, so like when she come there with the man, I will give her the better room. And I choose to give her the better room. When me come, the girl war with me over the room, them and say me take the better room. You know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna give her the bigger one. And me decided to me, no, I think it was only 2 rooms, sorry. 2 rooms, one for the dancer them and one for me and her. And me decided to me, I go in the room with the dancer them and give her the big old suite When me and her supposed to bounce it in her. Because she's staying there with her man. And the girl cussed me off. I'm beat and I try to beat me up. I look at him, I fling all shoes in her face. She tell people say she beat me. And when the show coming on the night, the girl, like her friend, I'm got the front of the stage, I boo me.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
wicked.
And then when me go so now and down me yard about a couple of weeks, well, my father wife called me and said to me, say, you know, some of the over Sherlock at work, and somebody pinch me and tell me, say, the reason why she war with you down a country, she say, baby Sham tell her, say she can't friend me and boss, so she have to war me.
Yeah, hold on, as a call Sham name, me say a Sham I be father too.
Well, me don't know, but I try to tell you, say, you know, am I a virgin that too, but, and all along me hear that me never yet said that to Sham. I'm always treat me good and talk to me good. So me always say, so oh, so it go. Sham tell her say, she be not for being a friend, she have to war me, and the uncle wish can boss. Okay, nothing wrong with that. But you have to appreciate certain things, you know. So me didn't know my pirate unicorn, and me start pirate unicorn right. I've been reading him right hula hoop and him write couple songs and that. Every time you see somebody where I do good in a Macka life, you come for them and you bring in contention in it for them stop power with Macka. You this is not a good person. You understand? This is not a good person. Everybody who me work with in music, you come and you come buy them out. All the selector them start to go like them want to style me. Can you come pay them off to try to diss me and all these things. It is not a good look.
Yeah.
You know, so it's a crazy journey me been through, and me try to hold it and me try to just stay strong because me not care about nothing. Me just know I'm a career, I'm in a business, I'm just a go and live. Because me remember say me get the hits them, you know. God bless me and I forget the hits them, you know. Me get the hits them. So at the end of the day, and then now me I say to myself say, me get up one day and me I say, oh when me at and show I keep. Me see them on the show them and them now not add song like me. And when them say them around the place, oh the promoter now book me. Me I said something not right about that. It not the match not add. Then one day one promoter called me from Trinidad and I said, Macka, but you are rare. I said nothing, everything good. The man say, you know, some get a contract say them now work with you and rare and them not do no show with you. I said, oh I said that go. Oh okay. Okay. You never take food out of people's mouth, man. I used to eat food too. Them are wicked.
Some people put down some people to go up on top, you know. You understand? Some people always do that.
I regularly see it happen, but it's only the salvation lasts forever.
Yeah. You see, yeah, God bless.
Me no business who want last ever in the music, but who can't stop my glory. And me always I eat food. Me always I eat food, Trivia. Trust me, me always, God has always blessed me. And me always have people who love me and care about me. I don't care, anytime I look at my last straw, God always lift me up back.
Macka, you always are putting work, you know. You want to have this work, you know, man, that business right now. You always are putting work.
But Trivia, them a go like me not do no work, them a go like me not do nothing, them go like me just sit down and me not do nothing, them just go like me sit down and get handout. I don't know people are going like me no work hard so I don't deserve nothing. Like my mother no want food too, and my people no want food. And that is bad. Right? If them hear some get a show of Canada with me, she and Pampute, and the man take me off of the show so she said she not work with me. But go through it. The show we keep a Nevis and them run on before me and one bag of excitement. The promoter left is stranded at Antigua. And Pampute call some man that she know down there and the man them come buy with ticket. Till all the day, the message try to talk to me, and the way I don't like her, I say I don't want to chat to me. Because all I was stranded at the airport and the like, at them the time they would try to make up back as friends. But to me feel hurt about the wickedness them where them people that do me and them now me eat no food. I know so the man them Antigua buy back the whole with ticket and send them back to Jamaica and say, all of this money with them spend, they're gonna book us and they're gonna keep an all-female show. You know, so by the time the show for keep me not upon it, the man them say she said she not work with me.
Some people evil and they have no regrets in them, Macka.
And up to now, me can't pay back the people them money because the people them buy ticket, because it was an urgent ticket, so the man spend nearly 1,500 US pound each hour ticket the day to send me back home. And them said, give us some more advance and just keep the show. And when you look at me alone, but nobody on the show, me alone, and the show flop like dog, me say, I must say 5 people gone, the man, them tell me, say, them would never keep an all-female show again. Me say, fuck out, no? Let me tell you something, I whole heap of them underestimate me, and I hope of them underrate me. And enough of them have to take back them blood clot. Mr. Charlie Blacks keep one show already. Down at Chilani. Right, him a one next one. Keep him show and tell me say, give me X amount of money and style me. But me not really business. Me keep him something at Chilani one night. And me end up with a double booking. And would you believe some got a show and me couldn't left? Because Charlie Blacks make me know so when him come at the show by 11 p.m. that night, a peer people come and say, Macka and them come to see. Me have my family. And me couldn't, and me have to close the show. Me say, you can link Charlie Blacks and ask him. All Rummy and Virgo, the whole of them man that come out to work before me, down there, big artists, me say I work before me, and Charlie Blacks tell me, Macka, you can't work, you have to close the show, because the people them come to see you. I couldn't believe it. The man said, them load up the place from 11 o'clock, and say them come to see Macka Diamond. So they cannot underestimate the power of me. Today, somebody from Mauritius Island, one far place, where them go talk pure Spanish and French, and I tell me, say, Macka, you're so hot. Right? Them can't stop me. Me no business what nobody wants to say. Anything one wants about me, God no business. God don't care.
Macka, you want a female friend, your boss is still relevant.
And them don't want to admit it. Them don't want to admit it.
Yeah.
Them don't want to admit it. Them don't want to admit it. Me go so and say me I'll put up my song and I'm a peer people for company and they come talk about we don't want to hear that your song or song good and let them feel like me stupid. Me not stupid. I the new bad mind that pick up some fake page and this people. And you can't stop me because I know the whole of the work, know the dirty days. You can't make me feel no way no more. Too bad now. You can't make me feel no way. No way. None of you can't make me feel no way.
Listen, you know what, Macka? Me like that attitude there come out, you know. Because you see, it's like you go through so much, it's like it cup overflow now. You can't take it no more.
Yeah.
You understand? I mean, like the attitude with you now. You understand? Anybody disrespect you and so on, you put them in them place.
Exactly.
Like the attitude there.
Me that a war art, but I go war school and I learn. I learn and I practice. So who feel like say, me too old now, I'm this and that I'm around, I'm black belt in a war. When you lucky, me soon take it to anyone wanna move to me, I take with the black belt.
Yeah, I write more right off the girl, you know, brother.
And I tell God say, Father God, I when the last breath of blood in my body, I go show them say, me not give up and none of them can't stop me. None of them can stop me because me I enjoy the same check. Me I enjoy the same way to check them a month time and me I get my money and me sing my hit song them. I mean I care. But them want about
listen, tell her if you no more donkey come on stage, come confront you. Tell her say prepare this time. Tell her if you no more donkey come on stage.
Making care of the donkey. And I see, the story come to bomb. If a donkey alone advisor. What is the name? Spiritual advisor is there.
Macka, she can't carry more donkey on stage again now because guess what? No, she's still off donkey.
Yes, the man a ball. I tell her I can't bring my friend Pandis alive one day as my witness. My friend will come from around there. She said the man a ball every day, said them don't finish paying for the donkey. So the spiritual advisor, you have got to talk up for that. Because the man still said the donkey over.
Yeah. How much years that now? I can't be a donkey.
You know, some love run joke, but that's true. But say, the man send come say, him still owe, them still owe for the donkey. Them balance him a little thing, the money not finished pay off. So, them to look into that. And the time now with the hotel and the wash off business, me not remember Maryland and hotel and me no remember. Me never there notice nothing. Cause one of the ladies said me that ask where the bathroom there and ray. Me always want peace. Cause I drink only water, so me not know. it possible Maryland and them come figure about and me that black away. Me no know, me no remember. Me honestly no remember.
Yeah.
Me honestly no remember, but me just know say, Trivia, the donkey still over. So me know how that go. Me I tell her my friend told me and tell me say she know the man and the man say, I know the man still a ball for him money. Man I said donkey not pay for it.
The man should have signed a contract to make them use the donkey. The man should have make them sign a contract. But if not talk them.
But funny enough, you know, it's somehow when me I hear is it not have to be lying. You know why? When I used to be around her, somebody always a do her something. Boy, I feel like somebody over me and I make a go see go wash up. Boy, I feel like me want to go river. Somebody a do me something always. Me not tell no lie.
She's a manipulator.
She always say that. Always.
Some people strive over people misery. Or for people pain, should say. You understand? When people hurt, people strive over it. Them ride by your back or put down people and they feel good to make them rise.
And people that about me a follow. And me used to do the whole of the dancing song them. If somebody do the whole of the dancing song them, me do the whole of dancing song them, yes, she sit down. She and the same lady will turn Christian now sit down and say, oh me I fuck up the whole of the dancer boy them oh Shelly Belly them a fuck me. And when they look I come and buy out Shelly Belly from around me and have Shelly Belly, you know, and I sing pure dancing song, you know. And I tell me skitty them and them people up on the radio about oh Macka them and I sing fuckery song. Fuckery song about cow foot and a fuckery song them and them up a play it on radio and me I sing beer fuckery. But go through it. Me go through it with them. But yet still, at the same fuckery song them, uno come sing and get a highlight with the dancer. My same dancer them and buy them out. Buy out the whole I dancer them. And come sing pure dancing song. Because you want to be like Macka, but you don't want to admit it. So you want to do like what Macka do. And you don't want to admit it. You understand?
Listen, Macka, some people not got no real talent. Hear me I say man, some of them you know, want make them big. And because I sang make them big, you know. Some of them are because antics them go on with on stage make them big. And the lyrics. You understand?
Right, so
And the lyrics.
we used to fuck you dancer them, but at them you their own now. Oh that look. Me not understanding. If me used to fuck you dancer them what you used to do. What you do now? I see the man just come bust out say fucking dance to them too. So a man Lord Jesus, me can't bother you know. Me sing cold foot and the worst song for her. Them fight down the song, them fight down the song, them fight down the song. Everything I sing them fight and them fight and them fight and them team up against me. And when the two of them broke away, I just go and say, die, 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 boy. Why take me and I should be in the corner? Somewhere, but I said the whole place and mash up is like them. Meanwhile, the two iniquity work of them a war. Macka Diamond just start mash up the whole world. Take me
Listen, Macka, hear me I say no. You see, you can't have your baby father, right? Or your baby mother. Or we are talking of a baby father of situation. And you see, your dancer them I try sabotage him. You've got to you have the little youth them, you know. You understand? And you plan up with your dancer who are work for you to come sabotage your baby father. Or you think mentally a little youth them are gonna grow up and know say yo them father are rapists and whatsoever, you know say nothing of us. And you send them go try sabotage the baby father. You understand? You can't do that. You forgot to have a little youth them and something, see me. You can't something like rape. You can't put rape on them something there, Macka. You can't do that. You run out of people for start. I say going on Macka. It's like you run out of people. You run out of people for pick pan, and the only people you can pick pan are people around you are used to in your life or in your life. Left you pick pan.
I mean, I hear water. When they make people cry too much. All they have to do, all them have to do is share. And sharing is caring.
Yeah.
All for yourself. You want it all, you lose it all. That's all I said.
Yeah.
You want it all. If the OBEAH man even say, post up my song, post it up. Nothing wrong with that. Post it up on one day. And say, big him up. Me not busy when nobody wants to say this him sound good. You understand? Me would have posted
Yeah.
him on one day if somebody do good to me. Me not care who. I saw me stay. Me not really care who. Me say one youth a foreign, me never remember when name. I want big old batty man and him pay me to do song with them. I'ma do it. Chrissy Dancehall with Chrissy I'ma do it. A business man, there's no business like show business. It's a business. You had a business. You know? You understand? I'm not take up for nobody but I say that's for sure you say when enough of them and everybody that talk, you know. You know, but a good for all, enough for him. Me and Nuffy come from same place. Me and certain people come from same place in Waterford. And the whole of them diss me. The whole of them diss me. Cause two, me don't know for two, me not give them no pussy. Hey, the one next mix up. No love me and me come go my bed. Two pussy no run. Favoritism over a pussy over favoritism. Hey, if I ever laugh at him, I piss up my jumper when me have one 9
Yeah.
Cause chew me with my ugly self, no let have no pussy. Sting mattress and all these things. Everybody over Sting get it. So them staying and Sting. Me did afraid that everybody gonna diss me a Sting because me never give nobody no pussy. You never give me something every day them and all of them my pussy. So me never did that. Me things that every time I go over there, me half dead. Me half dead. People don't understand about Sting. Me not give nobody over there my pussy, so me half dead. Me half dead on the stage. And me
No,
want them go back and watch the
listen.
clash with me and even Muma Star. Go and watch it. Lord God Almighty, when the water sprinkle around me, I couldn't even open my mouth. I dumb as bat. Nothing go. Or somebody said, Hallelujah. You know what I do for you know what I do for save myself from all of them iniquity worker, yeah? I start watch Dopey show and see what them use. A Dopey show, I start watch and see what them use to get rid of Dopey.
Listen. Right now, in a black dopey.
A Dopey show,
In
me have
a
to
black
start watching
dopey.
them to get rid of all the women that got through. And you can't, if you watch Dopey show, you're gonna know what they use. And me get that the vision there from God. Me get one from me a little girl, you know. When I was about 16 years old, there was a lady live across the road from me. And she used to see me whine and sing and dance and I jump up myself when I want the music and she walk over to me and she say, you know I got a vision from God for you. Him say, no care where you want to wind up yourself and you're going to learn how to read and see things. You're gonna have a good vision. And I'm dangerous with that. I can dream and I can see and I can feel. So me no said the advisor tell her that the one there, that will run out of business.
Listen, they can't stop it, Macka. They can't stop it. I swear. You understand? Me there on you. You
Because
understand?
me
I mean,
not
you
give up
see.
my life. Me not give up my love life and my marriage life them. How much time me engage and me give up the whole of them there for music and left it so. No, music have to keep me. Music
Yeah,
have to keep me and accept me. Cause the whole of my life me spend the night. Me never look for a man sometimes. I'll be years. So music have
yeah.
to keep me. And them gonna see me old and grey and rotten and they're gonna see this old pum pum is winding up all over. Chivia them me not
Who say you all? I want you to get that from. I want you to say all.
Lord Jesus.
I want you to say all, Macka. Hmm?
That them say. Somebody sitting them so terrible, I can't even remember them. May I tell them? A long time them I keep up them sitting there, man. Long time them I keep up them something there. Long time the people them not no love for each other. Long time. But you know what? I am not here to rejoice and I am here to let you all know that no matter what you put in me through, I ain't giving up. And even when I'm up on the hospital bed or anyone who want to put me, I am going to be still doing music. So stop wasting the time.
brother, Macka, every week, you know, you sing at least, you have to sing 1, 2 or 3 songs. And them don't know that.
Every
Me
week
tell them, say,
here,
you work
right now,
hard. Me
custom
there
sound man
early and me
across
know.
me. I cause sound man
Eh?
across me. Every day I'm in a studio do a 10, 20 dub. Me never I don't have a problem. Me not have no problem. People feel like
Listen,
say me want to go up on stage show and me want this or me want. Me not frightened about them something there. Me have so
and
much dub
because,
plate. Right now me can
and
get
because
me
no
sure say in a
producer,
few
them
more
release
hours
the
when the
song.
England sound man then wake up, I am going to get a custom chip here. Because me have so much dub to go do tonight, I'm gonna put it up and depend on the live.
Yeah.
Every night with that dub session. You know that too.
And because you see enough a producer them too. They don't release a song. So them people think say you not do song like that. But I
Right.
release them now, release them. You understand? You do song too much producer and them just not release a song. You understand? They
Mm-hmm.
will put a song in the
No, but even not even the song. But when I said trivia, them never used to have no song when Macka Diamond and mash up the whole place with Bunny Man them song there, and still at the show with me. So why you a do contract and I tell people say no want to work with Macka Diamond? Why you stop my food? That's why the reaction have to take
sabotage.
on. People have to understand these
Sabotage.
things. You
Every action
understand?
there is a reaction. You hear me? Macka,
Hmm?
I hear me I say, you do evil, evil go and turn back on you. You understand? You must turn back on you one day. You understand? And you do good all your life. You hear me? And you
Hmm.
get fight. One day, good must overcome evil. So you're good so come. You understand? I say, listen, man, you are one of the female in this industry. We relevant straight through for you, boss. You understand? And a whole heap of people you help. I mean, know that. You understand? So you hear
Hmm.
me? I say, so anybody want to crown you as queen, I dancehall or whatsoever, Macka, no say you don't want it, take it because it was given to you. As
Tomorrow I'm
long as
gonna
I know
post.
you
Tomorrow I'm
must
gonna
tell
post my
people say
trophy
you're
them
a
and
queen of
show them
dancehall.
because come at them and know the history.
Me know history. But hear me I say, man, no king of crown himself. A people of crown the king, right? I agree. And I say go?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Me
for the
just have
people
one
them
thing
I
about
say,
me where
yo, Macka,
people feel so them better looking at me and then look good at me, and yet still them still a fight me. So if me not look good at me not ready, I'm in this. Well, not worry. What is the problem? Me not
who say you don't look
understand.
good? Who say you don't look good? Eh? Then go for holy fans.
Yeah. Only fans turn up, no. Only fans
Then
turn
go for
up.
holy fans.
Me say right now, me have the masturbate the masturbate video over there. Turn up, sold right out.
Uh, listen, I don't want to talk about. Eh? I don't little young girl have your body, you know. What a body look good, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You don't know when they come go with them little
Me
and
just a
them
do me. Me
yeah.
just a do me.
Yeah.
You see the people them feel like them can't mentally attack me, you know. Me already past that stage where they mentally attack me already. So that
Yeah.
can't work anymore. The mental attacking. Right now, me so fully, imagine if the place is open up the right way. Me so fully booked with, me have so much things to do that me confused. Me have so much rhythm. Right now, there's a top producer, send me rhythm. What for people? My thing are normal, you know. Me not really fussy or worry myself, you know.
Yeah.
You know, when time my thing go, me see what them have the BET thing, and then put some dancehall artists about 2 to 3 years ago. I want to look at Dan Penn, the big old woman and woman Nancy, and then people. Mr. Jay-Z come to Jamaica one day, and the woman Nancy them go for. So none of them,
Yeah.
these people can't frighten me about music. Only can't frighten me. When me get up January morning and look at my royalty check, me good. But me look on it every month, on certain other little royalty, me good. Me alright. Me can live.
Macka,
Me not fussy. Me not live above my
Macka,
means.
Macka. And that's why you know the artists them need to stop fight against them one another, each other. Because guess what
Yeah,
happened now, Macka? It's a wide world, almost billion people in our world.
exactly.
Dancehall no reach certain place in our world, you know. So an artist can get up and try to reach some corner where some artists don't reach it. So they don't need to fight against them one another. Them a think about couple little players with dancehall a circle and them want drop in the
hype.
circle.
They're just. Hey, look here. There was a show. Them have a show we keep in Miami every 23rd. But that name Labor Day weekend. Lord Jesus. Butterfucker, we want him keep a show then. Why I never want to talk about this because they got hear some mix up. And me say, even some fest we used to keep there now. Every year, me I want to open it up on some fest and them I tell the people them say they now work with me. Now. You see that show that we're keeping in Miami every year on Labor Day? The people them I tell the job I said they don't want to work with me now for years now. And because the man Butterfucker friend and other people and we have to mix up things. The music business just mix up and curve. If people have song and them are going good, when you book the artists and stop the bias and stop listening to these artists, we are mash up the business.
Yeah.
You know, these people are crazy.
Yeah, and them will mash up the business for sure.
Oh, promoter for book me and this one. Promoter book me and one of them a Grenada. One of them a Grenada. And then tell a woman 24,000 US. Just to don't want to work with me now. Tell the woman 24,000 US and say them now depend the same plane when me depend. She better book a different flight. Right? And when me reach a Grenada and me stand up in the blood cleat place, it was a stadium, like a mini stadium. And half of it never really pull out. And the woman come to me a ball backstage and say, Macka, you have to go on the stage because the next artist don't want to come out. I don't want to call it the artist's name. Like the female because you know it go. After the woman gave 24,000. The woman come and sit down in her hotel room and say, she nah come out there. And the woman come on my hotel, me go out there and I run out and mash up the whole show. Because Grenada my place. The woman come back to my hotel room and tell me, say, Macka, when I go back for the female, she decided she not come. And she looked because the hotel was close to the stadium. The woman sit down and I look to the window and I say, watch it, we're not going to treat her like say she a bigger artist than me and she don't know nobody. And watch her come go like she don't know more artist than me. And me hate her, see. And the woman could not tell me back. And I said, that is not a good look. Me just go for earn my money and you come for earn your money. What is wrong with people? You know, what is wrong with people? What is wrong with people? We come to earn our own money and make our money and move on. You know, and that is why them always end up gone and run out of the business or can't bother with it no more because selfishness. Selfishness is their problem.
And you know what, Macka, too? Some artists don't know, say, no artist can take away them shine. Each individual artist, you have fans who love them different.
Exactly.
Every artist, you understand? Because you have your fans, me have my fans. Me can't take away your shine. Me have to just be creative and make people love me different.
You're right about that.
Nobody can take away nobody's shine. Nobody can take away nobody's shine.
I'm terrible, man. That's terrible. But you see, God and the heavens up above want to preach positiveness, it will follow you. And I remember I said to God, God, you're now giving what I can bear, and you're going to let me live to see the enemies be my footstool. I don't care whatever direction. This a mix up your angle. I don't know where to go, but me just know say me, I'm making know say me not care. Anything what want to happen, what I want to do, I'm a fighter and I'm gonna fight till the end.
Yeah, you know, Macka, me glad say you get a chance now to let out when you ain't got in here so long and talk with them a day. You understand? So at least you can take certain things off your brain and certain things. You understand? So millions of people can hear your side of the story and hear what them do you and I treat you over the years. You understand? So I'm glad you can just express your feelings and let out people let out.
One time I go to the stage show them and And as we put on my clothes, I'm going to go up and say the whole of my clothes are tear off of me. Tear out and drop off of me and that's the problem. I don't know where that come from. I just go and live. I just, by the time I just get mad and just fling on anything, I just go up on the stage. Man, I tell you, we go through it. And then talk this and then put some bad picture with me in the media and then diss me up and them have them publicists who diss me. And me no care no more. Me no care. Sassy Wagwan. Sassy has sample. Look how long way what the happened to your phone. So Trivia, just introduce yourself, tell them what to follow you on Instagram and all these things. And the people will not chat and mix up the 2,000, 3,000 people that run it and them run it and them gone. But we not care.
The people that know me, man. Mr. Cut and Paste. I cut and paste, they call me now in the Macka.
I cut and paste.
Everywhere me go, all of us, everywhere me go, they must say cut and paste. They not even remember my name as Trivia.
And but them know, oh, you get to see me Macka do show jacket and we can't wait to see her night, guys. Mad.
No, listen, we get booked for one show next week. So I'm pretty done have me for that show, brother. Me know say you're not right one.
Pretty done have it on the net and tell people say should I want me come on her birthday and people for beg me for come. So me don't know. Me don't know enough.
Yeah. Listen, we say uplift each other still. You understand?
Everybody knows that me know what's the face still. Anything can happen. Anything possible.
We want them know a lyrical war and a really like physical, like a fight. So Macka, you still can't come up pretty and stuff. You understand? Come show a little support and say listen me now. A lyrical war, you know. And then nothing where we push and show.
Are you happy me?
You understand? Eh?
Are you happy me?
Yeah. So you can still show her support and say listen me now. Because I want to, you know, over
years. One sassy she about me for go.
Eh?
One sassy about me for go.
A surprise if you go a surprise. So you understand, but you have one next week to think about that.
Alright.
You understand? Yeah. So me no know. Look at me, I'm going to change my status page. You know,
yeah, somebody said I kill people don't want to come my birthday and kill me. I can't say it go for true. Yeah, Macka. Yeah, man. So, Trivia, tell the people how to follow you on Instagram and all these things and what we're going to do about the competition and all these things. Pinky Pinks, they over here, no?
Yeah.
The dirty cheese, that tell us say Pinky Pinks. Ooh, Pinky Pinks in our class, we want me to mix her. And she don't want the Pinky and Pinky Pinks now, do not after we done the Pinky Pink and she not did it properly. So it's a whole heap of mix up. But just tell the people that want to follow you on Instagram and just call it a night because me
Trivia official, make sure a Trivia official. You understand?
Trivia official, yeah, follow him on Instagram.
And so me soon put cut and paste for them because if people give me a name, some people look at me and go take it. You understand?
Yeah, cheese and cut and paste no one, yeah, that's business deal, yeah?
Yeah. Facebook I see me, Trivia, see me. You understand? People don't follow. And hear me as a man. A thing with cheese, the competition with cheese now. I don't know why cheese upset. She still get paid. She still get paid. And we simply say, listen me now, cheese. We're going to take the competition, give somebody else. The person we give in the competition, that's the person who got the competition first. You understand? So we're giving back that person because the reason why, because through, you know, Macka, you know cheese and you say, alright, we talk to cheese and cheese says she want to host it. So you finally say, alright, we say, alright.
Just because the work over careful to get cheese, she can't manage it. So she want to host it. But yet she still couldn't manage the hosting, see me. And you still pay her and she still a complaint.
She still get paid.
We don't know what she wants.
But really and truly, Pinky Pinks originally to do a competition. And
She
we
say
say
gave her $200 only. Okay, that the person take.
so she said,
Mm-hmm.
then if she get $200, if she get $200 for no worse nothing, that she still no a big meat means that big me and she get better.
Yeah, me I try understand.
Yeah, you get $200 and say, oh listen, we just say alright, we get $200 if we do nothing. Eh? You know how much people want $200 to do nothing? But I'm glad to get $200 to do nothing. Four people, how much? 4 or 5 people she send come give away and say competition done. But we send 4 or 5 people and say competition done. Not no go so. You understand?
Yeah, Chibi, I'm gonna go by the question part then. And what about them say the Christmas light that mad them and about them in your back room, I don't know. Are you want to say Christmas?
Oh, you know, say Sunday come here come turn off the light them and say it bright and about the people. Me don't know.
Oh, are the people them say the Christmas light are mad then. Sassy says she
Uh,
still get paid. Alright then, so we're gonna
Sunday
just
put up our Christmas tree. Me don't
don't
want to
cut
touch
out
with
the
it.
light because me don't want to talk to my things. I hold back some like oh the advisor say I hold back some. So I have to hold back
Mm.
some too. Them set up on them, yeah.
Oh, sorry about that. Me don't know. Cause Sunday come there and turn off the light. Them and
Sign
say,
up for what one. Let me hang up your
yeah.
call me.
Um,
Mm-hmm. We don't want somebody to change something before I'm gonna drop asleep. Everybody gonna them bed. Anyway, people, I love you guys. Thank you all for the support. Follow me on Instagram, Macka Diamond One. You know my Vivo channel. This Friday coming, we have a next video drop. Name Independent. Me just dropped money one last week. So you know say it loud. So a peer video may drop until the rest of the year end. Peer video.
and
And new song.
listen, my people. Listen, my people. I want on the take Macka Diamond song them and run with them and share them. And make sure take my song them too. Chivia, Chivea. Take my song them and run with them too.
Yeah.
You understand? And I want to run with Macka. I want to crown Macka Diamond as queen of dancer. She deserves the rightful throne.
Too hot.
Yeah, she deserves the rightful throne. So I want to run with her song them and make them take over a place.
Me no want it.
You understand? It's song with me do with her. Back it up, a bad song. Make sure you take your run with it.
You back it up.
Yeah, me I say a bad song. I want to take it song, I want to share it and run with it. You hear me?
You can't even get nobody hold my phone on my back it up. Can you please me?
Yeah, you see that song that people make sure when you take that song there and run with it.
I said it up.
Put it up, when you share it, each individually share it.
Tight. Me no go back it up. Make sure you can angle when me catch it up. Alright, so you got cheese and our friend over here. So what you say is PR because she do a competition. Yeah, do a competition. We tell her say we don't want you to do it no more. We say we don't want to do it no more. But him give you X amount of money, so they didn't want to leave it alone. Too bad. Anyway, people, love you all. Thank you all. Thank you, Chibia, for coming over here. Pick up yourself about a freak up yourself.
Peace out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me as a people. Remember, Chivia, aka Cotton Bass. You don't know. Bless up. And have a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Yeah, me I say, man, we're going to take on a vaccine so the place can open.
Yeah. Vaccine.
We're going to take on a vaccine but distribute all over the place. We're going to take on a vaccine so the place can open.
Some of the things I'm not ready to talk about. I'm not talk up everything. Let's go and talk the night.
Yeah.
Alright, enough love.
Macka, Mars.
Mm-hmm. Bye, everybody. Enough love. Remember to subscribe to my Vivo. New video I drop this Friday at 12 midday. Independent. Lady Haley, big up yourself. Enough love. Big up everybody. Big up Cherry. Big up Boss Lady Miss Enough love. I love